Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today, we'll be unboxing and taking a look at the truly incredible all-new Ultimate Ears HYPERBOOM. In the box, you get the HYPERBOOM itself, a USB-C power adapter, and some user documentation. With that out of the way, let's take a quick tour around the speaker. On the top, we have a ton of controls, like the touch-sensitive volume buttons, a power button with an LED indicator, and a control button which gives you the option to switch between the various connections available, like Bluetooth, optical, and aux. In the middle, you have the magic button which allows you to control the audio playback. On the back, you have a heavy-duty strap to carry your HYPERBOOM, and beneath that, you have an assortment of ports which include two USB-C ports, one for power output, which can be used to keep your phone battery topped up, and a power input for charging the speaker. Lastly, you also get an optical in and an auxiliary port. These ports are protected by a weather door, which is a flap that seals the ports and protects them from the elements. On the bottom, you have 4 really grippy rubber feet to prevent it from sliding around. The powerful precision woofers, huge passive radiators, and soft dome tweeters deliver a high-fidelity listening experience, thereby providing you with vibrant, lifelike audio at any volume. The HYPERBOOM is IPX4 rated, making it splash and spill proof. With Party Up, you can pair the HYPERBOOM with one or more additional speakers to get a truly immersive audio experience, which will kickstart a party of truly ultimate proportions. With the HYPERBOOM, you can get up to 24 hours of battery life. For the quickest recharge, use the provided charging adapter. Lastly, you can use the UE Boom app to perform remote actions like power on and off, volume control, customizing the EQ, enabling Party Up, and so much more. With mind-boggling audio quality, ground-trembling bass, and various connectivity options, the Ultimate Ears HYPERBOOM is the Bluetooth speaker to turn any normal party into a concert. If you have any questions or for more information, please feel free to reach out to us at our support site, linked in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.